on a mini adventure in a park, a forest and a farm all in one.
Hello guys, my name is Ruhaan. We come to a farm today. It's so nice weather today. And you'll see some animals and you'll also find the park and people to play with. So this is my dad here holding the camera. And Ralph was just walking around holding my dad's hand.
How was that?